No? Well, buckle up because you're about to dive down the rabbit hole of a cryptocurrency with a universe of potential, but a current price tag that might surprise you. Let's face it, the crypto world is a whirlwind. New coins pop up daily, each promising to revolutionize finance, decentralize the internet, or, power your toaster with blockchain. But with so much noise, how do you separate the diamonds from the, let's just say not so diamonds? Today, we're setting our sights on the Newton project, specifically their token, aptly named Newton. Clever, right? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of its price, let's take a quick detour to understand what the Newton project is all about. Imagine a world where everyday transactions are lightning fast, secure, and cost next to nothing. That's the dream Newton is chasing. They've built their own blockchain, the new chain, designed for speed and efficiency. Think of it as a superhighway for digital information, allowing you to send and receive funds in a blink. But that's not all. The Newton project boasts a whole ecosystem. We're talking decentralized applications, dApps, think secure messaging, identity management, even a platform for building your own dApps. It's an ambitious vision, and if they pull it off, Newton could become a game changer. Alright, enough with the dream world. You clicked on this video for one reason: how much is a Newton token worth? Buckle up, because this is where things get interesting. As of today, a single Newton token is priced at a mere, wait for it, $0.000081. Yes, you read that right. 0.08 of a cent. That's cheaper than a gumball, and probably less sticky. Here's the thing, price doesn't always reflect potential. Take Bitcoin for example. Back in 2010, you could snag a Bitcoin for a measly $10. Today, we're talking tens of thousands per coin. Now, I'm not saying Newton is the next Bitcoin. Nobody can predict the future, especially in the wild world of crypto. But the low price tag does paint an interesting picture. It signifies an opportunity to get in on the ground floor before Newton, hopefully, takes off. Of course, with any investment, there's risk. The Newton project is still young, their ecosystem is developing, and the crypto market is notoriously volatile. So, before you go emptying your piggy bank, do your research. Understand the project, the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. But hey, if you're a crypto enthusiast with a gambler's spirit, a tiny investment in Newton could be a chance to jump on a future giant. Just remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect overnight riches. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.